This topic is going to talk about multilingual display. When we select the English switch, all the words will change to English, and it will display traditional Chinese when selecting the traditional Chinese switch. Select Project Explorer. Select Text Library. Number of groups can set the number of groups you need. Initial group is to select the displaying language when HMI startup. Set the control address for displaying different language groups. Column 0 default font and size can set up the font and size of the group languages. Use column 1 header to change the name of the language group. Go back to the screen when finished. Enter the word you need. Select and drag the word switch to the screen. Double-click the word switch. The right address must be the same as the control address. Number of states refers to how many languages we've used. Constant is the number of the control address. The traditional Chinese address is 1, so write 1 in the constant. Select the T which is on the content, direct text right side. Open the content text library and select the word that we want to display. Select the copy attributes to all states. Can change all states at once. Select the select font for text library. Can change font and size of each state. Select and drag the text to the screen. Double-click the text. Select the T which is on the content direct text right side. Open the content text library and select the word that we want to display. Select the select font for text library. Can change font and size of each state. Select the compile which is in the project. Select simulation and choose offline. The word switch and text are both work normally.